Alexis Cloudfilter, and welcome to our video on Dynamic 365 Sales, the ultimate tool for empowering your sales team and boosting productivity. Today, we're diving into the world of Dynamics 365 Sales, a powerful platform designed to streamline and supercharge your sales process. Imagine having all your customer information, leads, opportunities in one place. That's precisely what Dynamics 365 Sales offers, a centralized hub for managing your sales pipeline efficiently. Let's talk about some of the features that make Dynamics 365 Sales stand out. First up, it's AI-powered insights. This system leverages artificial intelligence to provide predictive analytics, helping you anticipate customer needs, prioritizing leads, and close deals more efficiently. Moreover, this seamless integration with Microsoft Office tools like Outlook and Excel make managing emails, scheduling meetings, and tracking sales data a breeze right from the Dynamics 365 Sales platform. Another fantastic aspect is the Model app. Stay on top of your sales game wherever you are. Access customer data, update records, and collaborate with your team on the go, ensuring productivity isn't confined to the office. But that's not all. Dynamics 365 Sales offers customizable dashboards and reports, allowing you to tailor the interface to your needs. It's like having a personalized command center for all your sales strategies. Businesses across various industries have significantly improved sales efficiency and customer relationship by leveraging Dynamic 365 Sales. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Dynamics 365 Sales isn't just about managing sales, it's about elevating your sales game to the new level. If you're ready to revolutionize your sales process, consider integrating Dynamics 365 Sales today with Imperium Dynamics. Imperium is equipped with a team of expert consultants with deep knowledge and proficiency in Dynamics 365 Sales. This specialized expertise ensures that organizations receive tailored solutions aligned precisely with their unique needs. We provide your team with comprehensive training and support on how to use Dynamics 365 Sales to get the most out of this technology. The world of technology is constantly evolving, and by partnering with Imperium Dynamics, your company can benefit from our up-to-date knowledge of the latest advancements in Dynamics 365 services and integration techniques. Contact us today and schedule a free consultation to get started.